Should you sue someone? That's the question I'm asking here. Should you sue someone? The American legal system has courts set up so private citizens can sue one another, or a private citizen can sue a corporation, or a corporation can sue a private citizen. That's the way it seems, if my memory serves me. But yeah, so should you sue someone? And I guess ultimately, I can't give you any legal advice. I'm not a lawyer, so this is definitely not legal advice. But I guess the thing that I'm saying here then is, well, if you're not sure if you should sue someone, go consult a lawyer. You may have a case and you may not. A lawyer could probably tell you a lot better than, you could find out. Yeah, don't trust your friends, don't trust your family, don't trust yourself, don't trust books. Yeah, maybe have all those as input, but ultimately a lawyer could give you the most definitive and authoritative sort of input as to whether or not you have a potential case. So I can't give you any specific answer if you should sue someone or not, but I can very much say, I believe, and I think this is common sense, go consult a lawyer if you're not sure. Yeah, read books, look at the laws, ask your family and friends, but fundamentally, don't do a frivolous lawsuit. If you think there's been an injustice, sometimes things that are unjust are legal and you're stuck with it. Sometimes things that are not right are, still legal, so you can't sue anybody for it. And ultimately, if you want some specific input, speaking to a lawyer could give you, likely a definitive answer. There's, different state bars. Often there's a referral service. You could go through the state bar to get a referral. You could look in your phone book. If you know a lawyer, you can ask a lawyer for a referral. There's lots of ways to potentially, find a lawyer that can potentially help you. You could look online, look on a search engine for lawyers in your area. There's lots of options. So, but yeah, sometimes people do bad things to one another, or corporations do bad things to people, or people in authority figures, government figures do something bad, and then a lawsuit happens. So yeah, ultimately, like I said, just consult a lawyer if you can. Lots of times you can get like a free or low cost consult just to see if you have a case. That's not uncommon, it seems. So just do some research. And try to do the thoughtful thing. So anyway, that's I guess all I'll post for today here with this. So maybe just please subscribe to this channel. Please visit my websites. Please watch my other videos, and please share this video with others, especially those who you think might benefit from it. So thank you much for watching, and have a wonderful day, morning, evening, night, whatever it may be where you're at.